Hello, my fellow viewers. Today, I'm going to share with you 9 insider secrets about making money that you may not have heard before. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial freedom or looking to level up your wealth building game, this video is for you. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Education and personal development are key to unlocking your full potential and earning power. Number 2. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different ways to make money and protect yourself against economic downturns. Number 3. Track your expenses and create a budget. Understanding where your money is going is crucial to managing it effectively and building wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Network. Building relationships with like-minded individuals and industry professionals can open doors to new opportunities. Number 5. Take calculated risks. Making smart, informed decisions that push you out of your comfort zone can lead to significant financial rewards. Number 6. Save and invest consistently. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined and watch your money grow over time. Number 7. Learn about passive income streams. Discover how to make money work for you, even when you're not actively working. Number 8. Negotiate and advocate for yourself. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve in terms of salary, opportunities, and benefits. Number 9. Believe in your worth and value. Confidence and self-belief are powerful tools that can attract success and abundance into your life. And there you have it, 9 game-changing strategies for making money that every aspiring entrepreneur and wealth builder should know. Remember, knowledge is power, so go out there and start implementing these tips today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep chasing your financial dreams. Thanks for watching.